BlackEast Productions.
This goes out to all my people from around the world, no matter where you are, as long as you're from Somaliland. This one goes out to you.
Green, white, and red is the color of my flag. You know that I'm from Somaliland. If you never heard about it, I understand. Steve, I stand telling you all about Somaliland. My land is extra green, greenest you ever seen. Everything is beautiful, so fresh and clean. Land of the darkest nights, we cut off the lights. Living in peace, the government protects our rights. My president is black, Heestani, a real intelligent king representing Luuuq. Fought for his land next to my granddad Sheena. Rest in peace, Dad, because of you we're still breathing.
You see my flag, homie, waving high, homie. That's the wall above me. Let them tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around,
look at the black star on my flag, homie. And if you still don't know me, let me tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come
the
around,
world laughs at my face cause they think I'm down. I tell them take a look around, I'm still on my ground. I love my people, love my soldiers, yeah I love my town. I feel sky high whenever that I'm around. Green, white and red is what I represent. Flag held high is what you get. Yeah, life is set, being at the top. Somaliland is where it should stay. Yeah, I say it with my heart, cause forever we're not apart. Never going back to the dark, never going back to the start. Yeah, we headed straight to the top, never going back to the drop. Tell me how you wanna feel, tell me if this here is real. I love to give and not kill, support my people I will. And fathers and mothers died, brothers in homicides. All that for so much in peace and for us to survive. Love for my president, love for my government, giving us that supplement to whatever we desire. You see my flag, homie, waving high, homie. That's the wall above me. Let them tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around,
look at the black star on my flag, homie. And if you still don't know me, let me tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you see the black star on my flag, that's me. Living in my country as a BlackEast G. Never been alone in my home, sweet home, cause the homies in my zone love T.I.G. I'm skinny but I'm bigger than B.I.G. Coming through like Jet Li, kung fu like Bruce Lee. Don't mess with my people, no. Somaliland is lethal, get you sick as cancer, you gon' need chemotherapy. I told you once, I don't have to tell you twice. You wanna fight? Meet me in my paradise. Perfect views, sky so blue, air so fresh and cold like ice. But you know about that, do you have a clue? Do I have to tell you twice? No. Somaliland is my land and I'm proud. You be walking on the ground, I'm walking on the cloud. This one goes out to all my people everywhere. Choose a Somaliland that put your fist in the air.
You see my flag, homie, waving high, homie. That's the wall above me. Let them tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around,
look at the black star on my flag, homie. And if you still don't know me, let me tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around,
you see my flag, homie, waving high, homie. That's the wall above me. Let them tell you about
Somaliland, Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around,
look at the black star on my flag, homie. And if you still don't know me, let me tell you about
Somaliland. Ask about Somaliland, Somaliland. Every time you come around.